So recently I have been struggling with breakage on my hair, it being dry. Aging hair, of course, is always difficult, but I found it was getting super dry from all of the coloring and using hair products on it. And then the heat tools and all of that. It was just, there was a lot of breakage. It was dry, it was brittle. It was very unmanageable. And then I heard about this. This is OGX bond protein repair. And this is to protect your hair from the heat tools and things like that. It will repair and protect. It says it's targeted repair and protection from heat damage for smooth, strong hair without the weight. So it feels great. It goes on, you just spray it, and you don't spray it up in your roots because I think it might give too much. So, but you spray from the mid area of your hair down. And it just comes on just like a really light mist when you spray it. Smells really good, and it does add moisture to your hair. And then when you blow dry it, you will notice a difference. It just feels softer, bouncier, and same with heat tools. So you spray it on damp to blow dry your hair, and then if you're going to use curling irons, flat irons, things like that, spray again. Protects your hair from up to 450 degrees. I've tried a lot of other heat protectant sprays, and I particularly have been using lately a cream one from Redken, and I found it really weighed down my hair. It did protect from the heat, but it made my hair very weighed down. I prefer this. This is way better. So, and this does not cost as much as Redken. So highly recommend trying this if you are struggling with your hair breakage and things like that, and you need to protect it from the heat damage from when you are styling it. Love this stuff. We'll be using it all the time now. Thanks.